Hey friends, this is the Shark Professional Rotator Vacuum. And these vacuums are absolutely incredible. We love them. But there's an internal filter that's in here that needs to be cleaned out on a regular basis to keep this thing working in good condition. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access that filter and how to properly clean it. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap the cords and we'll pull it off of its stand. So the dust cup area releases with these two little latches right there. We'll pull that out. We can put that off to the side, dump it out as necessary. And that gives us access to our filter down in here. Now I actually cleaned this just a few weeks ago. And as you can see, after a handful of uses, it does get pretty dirty. So regularly cleaning this is going to be very important. In fact, there's a little label back here that you may not have noticed. You can see loss of suction may occur if this is all clogged up. This recommends every 3 months to take out, rinse, and let air dry. Again, I typically do this every month with all of our dust and dirt that comes with having pets. You can see just how dirty even this internal part is from just a few vacuums. So all you need to do is grab this little knob here and pull up, and you can see that the whole entire filter system lifts out. And we can go ahead and rinse this off. I'm gonna do this outside, but you can do this in your shower, in a sink, whatever is easiest. Remember, there's a lot of dirt and grime that's gonna come off of this thing. So definitely make sure you have proper washing area. Now, the other thing we need to grab is this little filter that's at the very bottom. There's a little tab we can pull up on, and this also needs to be properly rinsed. Now these things remove from the little plastic piece right here. And this allows you to run water over this and squeeze out all of that dirt and grime. Don't forget to rinse out this piece too. Okay, we'll let this and the other filter sit in the sun and dry out before we stick it back inside the vacuum. Hope that helps, friends. Again, super quick little cleaning that we do every quarter, every other month. Just depends on how much we are vacuuming. Hope that makes your life just a little easier.